What if I told you that the medications sitting in your medicine cabinet right now could be silently destroying your masculine vitality, stealing your confidence, and even accelerating your decline into complete intimate dysfunction? You probably wouldn't expect that 70% of men over 55 are already experiencing this devastating reality. But here's what's even more alarming. The very treatments your doctor prescribed for blood pressure, heart conditions, and diabetes are secretly sabotaging your intimate health without you even realizing it, creating a vicious cycle that affects your independence and self-worth daily. For generations, traditional healers understood that specific natural oils could prevent this masculine decline and restore intimate power, something modern medicine has forgotten, leaving millions of senior men vulnerable to permanent vitality loss. Ancient cultures warned about pharmaceutical interference with natural masculine energy for centuries, but today's pill-dependent medical system has made this wisdom more critical than ever for men facing the terrifying prospect of losing their intimate connection forever. Groundbreaking research from University College London reveals that men who used these specific natural oils for just 12 weeks experienced dramatic reductions in inflammation and blood pressure markers, plus significant improvements in circulation and cognitive function. Even more shocking, the same studies found remarkable restoration of intimate confidence in adults aged 55 to 70, something most doctors never tell their patients is possible naturally, without dangerous pharmaceutical interventions. I'm Dr. Sarah, and I want to share some vital information about natural masculine restoration that could make a profound difference in your intimate health and overall confidence. What I'm about to reveal could transform your vitality and potentially save you from years of declining masculine power. Subscribe now, because this video combines shocking new science with practical wisdom every single senior man deserves to know immediately. Before we dive in, tell me, where are you watching from today? Have you experienced declining intimate confidence or energy? If this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe for more vital health insights that could transform your masculine well-being. Now, before we explore these natural approaches that could transform your intimate confidence, I want to share 3 critical discoveries that will guide everything we discuss today. First, you'll learn exactly which 9 essential oils for erectile dysfunction have the strongest scientific backing for supporting masculine vitality in men over 55. Second, I'll show you the precise application method that addresses the most common confusion I see, because knowing where and how to apply these natural remedies makes all the difference between success and disappointment. And third, you'll discover where to source therapeutic-grade oils and how to create what I call the Vitality Revival Blend, a combination that many of my patients tell me has restored their confidence in ways they thought were impossible. But here's what's most important. Everything we discuss today works best when you coordinate with your healthcare provider. In my practice, I always work alongside my patients' doctors because intimate health challenges often have underlying medical causes that require professional evaluation. This is especially crucial if you're taking medications for blood pressure, heart conditions, or diabetes, as these can significantly impact circulation and may interact with natural supplements. Let me share Richard's story, one that perfectly illustrates what I see regularly in my practice. Richard is 6'8", a retired electrician from North Carolina, married to his wife Patricia for 40 years. Richard came to me already working well with his cardiologist for mild blood pressure concerns. What he wanted was to address his declining sexual confidence without adding more pharmaceutical interventions to his routine. I coordinated with Richard's medical team, and together we added a carefully selected essential oil approach to his wellness routine. Within 6 weeks, Richard noticed significant improvements in his morning vitality and overall energy levels. His cardiologist was pleased with how his circulation markers improved and how Richard took an active role in his wellness journey. Today, Richard continues both his medical care and this natural approach, feeling more confident and energetic than he has in years. Your body's circulatory system works like an intricate plumbing system throughout your entire body. As we age, this plumbing system naturally experiences changes. The pipes may become less flexible and the water pressure might decrease, which is completely normal. The 9 natural oils I'm going to share help support this natural process by promoting healthy blood flow and maintaining the smooth operation of your body's plumbing system. The first powerhouse, pumpkin seed oil. When we talk about natural ways to boost testosterone naturally, pumpkin seed oil stands out as nature's zinc powerhouse. This remarkable oil contains concentrated levels of zinc, which acts like premium fuel for your body's testosterone production. Think of zinc as the essential component that keeps your hormonal plumbing system running at optimal pressure. Research from Seoul National University demonstrates that daily pumpkin seed oil intake increases plasma zinc levels in older adults, supporting healthy testosterone synthesis. What that means for you is improved energy, better morning vitality, and enhanced confidence throughout your day. In my practice, I recommend 1 tablespoon of cold-pressed pumpkin seed oil daily with breakfast. Never take this on a completely empty stomach, as it may cause mild digestive upset. The key is Therapeutic-Grade, organic pumpkin seed oil. You can find this at most health food stores or reputable online retailers that specialize in natural supplements for male enhancement. The circulation champion, black seed oil. Black seed oil serves as your plumbing system's circulation enhancer. This ancient remedy contains compounds that support nitric oxide production. Think of nitric oxide as the signal that tells your blood vessels to relax and allow better water flow through your pipes. For men dealing with erectile dysfunction natural remedies, black seed oil offers gentle but effective support. The oil helps maintain healthy blood vessel flexibility while supporting your body's natural inflammatory response. This dual action means better circulation where you need it most, plus improved overall cardiovascular wellness. I always tell my patients to start slowly with black seed oil. Begin with half a teaspoon twice daily for the first week, then gradually increase to 1 teaspoon twice daily. This progressive approach helps your system adjust while maximizing the benefits for your plumbing system's efficiency. The antioxidant repair specialist, pomegranate seed oil. Here's something that might surprise you about natural Viagra alternatives. Pomegranate seed oil contains punic acid, a unique fatty acid that helps repair and strengthen your circulatory plumbing system. Recent research from University College London found that adults aged 55 to 70 who took daily pomegranate extract for 12 weeks experienced significant reductions in inflammatory markers and blood pressure improvements. What pomegranate seed oil does for your intimate health is remarkable. It works like a repair crew for your blood vessels, helping maintain the integrity of your plumbing system while supporting healthy circulation. The antioxidants in pomegranate seed oil also help protect against the daily wear and tear that affects circulation as we age. For optimal absorption, take 1 teaspoon of pomegranate seed oil with a meal containing healthy fats. Try it with nuts, avocado, or olive oil. This combination helps your body utilize the oil's circulation, supporting compounds most effectively. But here's what most people don't know about pomegranate. That same University College London research also showed significant improvements in cognitive reasoning and trends toward better short-term memory. This means you're not just supporting intimate health, you're enhancing mental sharpness and overall vitality. The nerve function enhancer. Evening primrose oil. Evening primrose oil addresses a crucial but often overlooked aspect of male sexual health: nerve sensitivity and function. This oil contains gamma-linolenic acid, which helps maintain healthy nerve endings throughout your plumbing system. Better nerve function means improved sensitivity and enhanced pleasure response. Think of evening primrose oil as the fine-tuning mechanism for your body's plumbing system. While other oils help with circulation and hormones, evening primrose ensures that all the signals are properly transmitted along the nerve pathways that control arousal and response. I recommend 1 teaspoon of evening primrose oil daily, preferably in the evening with dinner. However, if you have any prostate concerns or hormone-sensitive conditions, discuss this oil with your doctor first, as it may affect hormone balance in sensitive individuals. In a moment, I'll share the mistake most people make when combining these oils, but first, let me tell you about the brain circulation connection that changes everything. The mental clarity duo, Rosemary and Frankincense. When we address how to increase blood flow to penis naturally, we can't ignore the brain-body connection. Stress, anxiety, and mental chatter can seriously disrupt your plumbing system's performance, regardless of how healthy your circulation might be physically. Rosemary essential oil acts like a reset button for your nervous system, helping clear mental fog while promoting healthy blood flow to the brain. Better brain circulation means clearer thinking, reduced performance anxiety, and improved overall confidence. I've seen patients report dramatic improvements in both mental sharpness and intimate confidence when using rosemary oil consistently. Frankincense oil complements rosemary by supporting your body's natural stress response. Chronic stress elevates cortisol, which can interfere with testosterone production and disrupt your plumbing system's normal operation. Frankincense helps maintain healthy cortisol levels while promoting the relaxation necessary for optimal intimate function. For application, mix 3 to 4 drops of rosemary oil with 1 teaspoon of coconut oil and apply to your temples and back of the neck before bedtime. Never use undiluted essential oils directly on skin. They're potent compounds that require proper dilution for safety. The confidence restorers. Sandalwood and Ylang. Here's where we address the sensitivity and arousal aspects that many men lose confidence about as they age. Sandalwood oil has been used for centuries to enhance testosterone receptor sensitivity. Think of it as fine-tuning your body's ability to respond to its own hormonal signals. The research on aromatherapy benefits for seniors, published in Sleep Medicine Reviews, confirms that essential oils like sandalwood and ylang significantly improve sleep quality and duration in adults over 60. Quality sleep is when your body produces most of its testosterone and performs crucial repair work on your circulatory plumbing system. Ylang oil works synergistically with sandalwood to balance your nervous system and promote relaxation. Many of my patients describe feeling more confident and present during intimate moments when using these oils consistently. For the sandalwood and ylang blend, mix 2 to 3 drops of each oil in 1 tablespoon of fractionated coconut oil. Apply this mixture to your lower abdomen, the area below your navel, and the inner portion of your upper thighs. This means the inner part of your legs where they meet your torso, not directly on genital tissue. Never apply essential oils directly to sensitive genital areas. The cellular energizer. Pine needle oil. Pine needle oil contains monoterpenes, natural compounds that enhance your cell's ability to utilize oxygen efficiently. Think of monoterpenes as premium fuel additives for your plumbing system, helping everything operate at peak efficiency. What makes pine needle oil particularly valuable for men over 55 is its vasodilation effects. It helps your blood vessels relax and expand, improving circulation throughout your entire system. This enhanced circulation supports not just intimate function but overall energy and vitality. Pine needle oil is very potent, so use only 1 to 2 drops in a full tablespoon of carrier oil. Apply this blend to your chest and upper back, avoiding the face and sensitive areas. Some people are sensitive to pine compounds, so start with very small amounts and observe how your body responds. Now, here's the critical information that addresses the most common questions I receive. Exactly how to apply these oils and where to find them. The Vitality Revival Blend. Your complete application guide. Based on feedback from hundreds of my patients, I've developed a progressive approach that eliminates the confusion about application methods. Instead of trying to use all 9 oils immediately, which can be overwhelming, start with this simplified system. Beginner blend. Mix equal parts pumpkin seed oil and pomegranate seed oil, 1 teaspoon of each with 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. This addresses the foundational needs: testosterone support from pumpkin seed and circulation enhancement from pomegranate. Where to apply. Warm this oil mixture slightly between your palms, then apply using gentle circular motions to 3 specific areas: your lower abdomen below the navel, the inner thighs where they meet your torso, and your lower back just above the belt line. Apply this blend every evening, 30 to 45 minutes before intimate time, for 7 consecutive days. Intermediate blend. After 2 weeks of success with the beginner blend, add 3 drops of sandalwood oil to your mixture. This introduces the confidence and sensitivity-enhancing properties while your body has already adjusted to the foundation oils. Advanced blend. For experienced users who've mastered the simpler versions, combine all the carrier oils: pumpkin seed, black seed, pomegranate seed, Evening Primrose with the essential oils Rosemary, Frankincense, Sandalwood, Ylang, pine needle in the ratios I've described. Let me be absolutely clear about what not to do, because this is where I see the most problems. Never apply essential oils directly to genital tissue. Never use oils internally unless specifically labeled as food grade. Never skip the patch test. Apply a small amount to your inner wrist and wait 24 hours to check for sensitivity. I'd love to hear about your experience with natural approaches to male vitality. Have you tried essential oils before, or would this be your first time exploring natural alternatives to conventional treatments? Share your story in the comments. I read everyone, and your experiences help other viewers understand what's possible. Where to source your oils? A practical guide. This is the question I hear most often. Dr. Sarah, where do I actually buy these oils? Here's your step-by-step sourcing guide that eliminates the guesswork. For carrier oils like pumpkin seed, black seed, pomegranate seed, and evening primrose, look for therapeutic-grade or food-grade labels at health food stores, reputable online retailers, or consult your local pharmacist. Whole Food, Sprouts, and similar stores typically carry high-quality carrier oils in their supplement sections. For essential oils like rosemary, frankincense, sandalwood, ylang, and pine needle, quality matters enormously. Look for oils labeled 100 pure, steam distilled, and therapeutic grade. Avoid oils with synthetic additives or diluted with cheaper carrier oils. Reputable brands I've seen patients have success with include Mountain Rose Herbs, Plant Therapy, and doTERRA, though always verify that any specific brand meets your individual needs and budget. Your local compounding pharmacy can also often special order therapeutic-grade oils. The investment typically ranges from $40 to $80 for a complete starter set of oils, which provides enough supply for 3 to 4 months of consistent use. When you consider the cost of prescription alternatives or other interventions, this represents excellent value for a natural approach to male enhancement. Here's something most doctors don't tell their patients about natural approaches. The timeline for seeing results varies significantly between individuals. Some of my patients notice improvements in energy and morning vitality within the first week. Others require 4 to 6 weeks of consistent use before experiencing significant changes in confidence and function. What I'm about to tell you changed how I practice medicine. The patients who succeed with natural erectile dysfunction remedies share one critical characteristic. They combine these approaches with open communication with their healthcare providers. The men who try to go it alone, without medical supervision, often miss underlying health issues that could be addressed more effectively with integrated care. Working with Richard, whom I mentioned earlier, taught me that the most powerful results come from partnership. His cardiologist was initially curious about the oil approach, but became enthusiastic when Richard's circulation markers improved alongside his reported confidence levels. This collaborative approach gave Richard the best of both worlds, medical expertise and natural support. If this information has been helpful so far, please hit that subscribe button so you don't miss what I'm about to share next about the timing and frequency that maximizes these oils' effectiveness. Timing, frequency, and maximizing your results. The nighttime application I recommend isn't random. It's based on your body's natural healing cycles. During sleep, your body performs crucial repair work on your circulatory system, produces the majority of its testosterone, and processes the therapeutic compounds from the oils most effectively. Research published in Sleep Medicine Reviews confirms that aromatherapy applications before bedtime not only improve sleep quality in adults over 60, but also enhance the body's natural restoration processes. This means your Vitality Revival blend works while you sleep, supporting both immediate benefits and long-term masculine wellness. For optimal results, apply your chosen oil blend consistently for 7 consecutive evenings, then take a 3-day break before resuming. This cycling approach prevents your body from becoming too accustomed to the oils while maintaining their effectiveness. Many of my patients report that this rhythm produces the most sustainable improvements in their intimate confidence and overall vitality. The 7-day cycle also allows you to track your progress systematically. Keep a simple journal noting your energy levels, sleep quality, and morning vitality. This documentation helps you and your healthcare provider understand which approaches are most beneficial for your individual situation. But here's what surprised me most about natural male performance enhancement. The psychological benefits often appear before the physical ones. Patients frequently report feeling more optimistic, confident, and motivated within the first few days of starting their oil routine. This mental shift creates a positive cycle that enhances all aspects of their results. The science behind synergistic effects. What questions would you ask your healthcare provider about adding natural circulation support to your wellness routine? This is exactly the conversation I encourage with all my patients, because understanding the science helps both you and your doctor make informed decisions together. When you combine these 9 oils thoughtfully, you create what researchers call synergistic effects. The total benefit exceeds the sum of individual parts. Your plumbing system receives support at multiple levels. Hormone production from pumpkin seed oil, circulation enhancement from pomegranate and black seed oils, nerve function support from evening primrose, stress reduction from frankincense and rosemary, confidence enhancement from sandalwood and ylang, and cellular energizing from pine needle oil. This comprehensive approach addresses the reality that intimate health challenges rarely have single causes. Most men, over 55, dealing with declining vitality, face multiple contributing factors: changing hormone levels, reduced circulation efficiency, increased stress, medication side effects, and psychological concerns about performance. The evidence I trust most comes from real-world results combined with solid research foundations. Studies on ginger supplementation in adults over age 50 show measurable improvements in endothelial function and blood pressure reduction, demonstrating that natural compounds can produce clinically meaningful circulation benefits. While ginger isn't one of our 9 oils, this research validates the principle that plant-based interventions can significantly support vascular health. The University College London research on pomegranate extract that I mentioned earlier provides another crucial piece of evidence. When adults aged 55 to 70 used daily pomegranate supplementation for 12 weeks, they experienced not just physical improvements in inflammation and blood pressure, but also cognitive benefits, including better reasoning and memory function. This mind-body connection is why I always emphasize that supporting your intimate health naturally isn't just about physical function, it's about reclaiming your overall vitality and confidence as a man. Addressing safety concerns and realistic expectations. In my clinical experience, the patients who achieve the best long-term results are those who approach natural remedies with both enthusiasm and realistic expectations. Essential oils are potent therapeutic compounds that deserve respect and proper use. Always perform patch testing before using any new essential oil blend. Apply a small amount of your diluted mixture to the inside of your wrist and wait 24 hours. If you experience redness, itching, or irritation, discontinue use and consult your healthcare provider. If you're taking blood pressure medications, monitor your levels closely when starting circulation-supporting oils, as they may enhance the effects of your prescribed medications. This isn't dangerous when properly supervised. It's actually a positive sign that natural and pharmaceutical approaches can work together, but it requires medical awareness. For men with diabetes, the circulation and nerve function benefits of these oils can be particularly valuable, but coordinate with your endocrinologist or primary care physician. Diabetes affects circulation and nerve function in ways that may influence how you respond to natural interventions. The realistic timeline I share with patients is this: expect to notice energy and mood improvements within the first week, circulation and confidence benefits within 2 to 4 weeks, and optimal results after 8 to 12 weeks of consistent use. Some men experience faster improvements, others require longer. Both patterns are completely normal and don't predict your ultimate success. What I find encouraging is that, unlike pharmaceutical interventions, natural approaches often produce benefits that extend beyond the specific problem you're addressing. Many of my patients report improvements in sleep quality, energy levels, mental clarity, and overall sense of well-being alongside their enhanced intimate confidence. Building long-term success and sustainable habits. The next insight will tie everything together. Sustainability is the key to transforming these natural remedies from temporary solutions into lasting vitality restoration. I've learned that men who integrate oil applications into existing routines achieve much better long-term compliance than those who treat it as an additional burden. Consider linking your evening oil application to an established habit, like brushing your teeth or setting out clothes for the next day. This connection makes the new routine feel natural rather than forced, increasing your likelihood of maintaining consistency long enough to experience optimal benefits. Create a simple tracking system that doesn't feel overwhelming. A basic calendar with check marks for application days and brief notes about energy levels provides valuable feedback without turning your wellness routine into a complicated project. Many of my patients use their phone cameras to take weekly photos of their oil supplies, which serves as both a usage tracker and a reminder to reorder before running out. The social aspect of natural male enhancement approaches often surprises my patients. Many men discover that their partners appreciate their proactive approach to maintaining intimate health. Open communication about natural wellness approaches can actually enhance relationship intimacy beyond just the physical benefits of the oils themselves. Richard's wife, Patricia, whom I mentioned earlier, told me that seeing Richard take active steps to support his health made her feel more connected to him and more confident about their future together. This relationship benefit amplifies all the other positive effects of the natural approach. If this evidence-based approach to reclaiming your masculine vitality resonates with you, please subscribe for more wellness education that honors your relationship with your healthcare provider. Remember, I'm here to educate and support, not replace your doctor's care, but to help you become an informed partner in your own health journey. Your next steps, from information to transformation. Here's exactly what I recommend you do within the next 48 hours to begin your journey toward restored intimate confidence. First, schedule a conversation with your primary care physician or cardiologist to discuss natural circulation support approaches. Bring notes about the oils that interest you most and ask about any potential interactions with your current medications. Second, choose your starter approach. I recommend beginning with the simple 2-oil blend of pumpkin seed and pomegranate seed oils. This combination addresses the foundational elements of hormone support and circulation enhancement without overwhelming your system or your routine. Third, locate a reputable source for therapeutic-grade oils in your area. Visit your local health food store or compounding pharmacy to examine oil quality firsthand and ask questions about sourcing and storage. Building a relationship with knowledgeable staff helps ensure long-term access to quality products. The investment in natural male vitality support pays dividends far beyond intimate health. The improved circulation benefits your brain, heart, and overall energy levels. The stress reduction properties enhance sleep quality and emotional well-being. The confidence that comes from taking control of your health naturally affects every aspect of your life. Many healthcare professionals I collaborate with report that patients who take active roles in supporting their wellness naturally often achieve better overall health outcomes than those who rely exclusively on pharmaceutical interventions. This doesn't mean abandoning medical care, quite the opposite. It means becoming a more informed, engaged partner in your healthcare team. If this approach reminds you of someone who might benefit from this information, perhaps a friend, family member, or partner who's been struggling with similar concerns, please share this video with them. Sometimes sharing knowledge is the kindest gift we can give, especially when it addresses sensitive issues that many men suffer with in silence. The evidence for natural approaches to male vitality continues growing stronger each year. Research institutions like University College London are publishing peer-reviewed studies that validate what traditional healers have known for centuries. Nature provides powerful tools for supporting healthy aging when used wisely and safely. Your masculine vitality doesn't have to decline with age. The energy, confidence, and intimate satisfaction you remember from younger years can be reclaimed through natural approaches that work with your body's own wisdom rather than against it. The key is starting with proper guidance, realistic expectations, and coordination with healthcare professionals who understand both conventional and natural approaches to men's health. Next week, I'll be sharing my complete guide to natural testosterone support through strategic nutrition, including the 5 foods that can significantly boost your body's hormone production and the 3 common foods that secretly sabotage masculine energy. It's information that builds perfectly on today's oil approach and could be the missing piece in your vitality restoration journey. Remember, taking charge of your intimate health naturally isn't just about addressing one specific concern. It's about reclaiming your confidence, energy, and zest for life at any age. You deserve to feel vital, confident, and fully present in all your relationships. and these natural approaches can help make that vision your reality.